What really excites me most is being part of the team that works right at the intersection of culture, sourcing, and brand building. I moved to Finland when I was 11, so I basically grew up there during my teenage years. That experience really shaped who I am today. At the beginning, it was honestly quite challenging. I didn't speak Finnish at all, and my English was very limited. So everything felt unfamiliar and actually very overwhelming. But going through that process really forced me to adapt quickly and become more independent at a young age. I think growing up in Finland gave me a mindset that values independence, quality, and practicality. People communicate there quite directly, respect personal space, and focus a lot on finding solutions instead of excuses. So being in that environment taught me to think critically, take responsibilities and ownership of my own decisions, and also be comfortable working on my own while respecting others. During my exchange at Peking University a few years ago, I had my first real exposure to how advanced China's manufacturing industry actually is. And I realized there was a huge opportunity to combine my international grown-up with real business needs to act as a bridge between Western clients and Chinese suppliers. In 2023, I attended the Canton Fair, the world's largest sourcing fair, for the very first time. And it really opened my eye to the scale and sophistications of China's production capability. Shortly after, I was very lucky to have the chance to move to Shenzhen and take on a more hands-on role in trading and sourcing. I decided to take the challenge and leave my consulting job at KPMG because I saw the unique opportunity to work closely with suppliers, understand the industry from the ground up, and help Western clients navigate China's manufacturing ecosystem. The biggest difference I noticed were in pace, communication style, and how the work is structured. In Finland, work is generally calm, planned, very transparent. Information is shared openly, hierarchy is flat, people are encouraged to speak up and challenge the idea. Processes are very clear, there's a strong focus on trust and personal responsibility. But at the end, in China, everything moves much faster, decisions can change quickly, communication is more indirect, hierarchy plays a bigger role. Information isn't always shared with everyone, so building the right relationship is important to really understand what's going on. Growing up in Finland gave me a strong sense of honesty, reliability, and clear communication. I think these qualities are very helpful when working with clients in China, especially in a complex sourcing project. Being straightforward, keeping promises, and focusing on a long-term collaboration help build credibility quickly. At the same time, I've learned to combine this with an understanding of Chinese business culture, which is more relationship-oriented and adaptive. So I can communicate clearly while respecting the local expectations. This combination helps me bridge the gap between Western clients and Chinese suppliers effectively and building trust on both sides. What really excites me most is being part of the team that works right at the intersection of culture, sourcing, and brand building. I'm really looking forward to working with both international clients and local suppliers, helping to create sourcing solutions that are transparent, efficient, and long-term. For me personally, I think it's also about bringing my own cross-culture perspective, understanding both Western expectations and Chinese manufacturing reliabilities, and using that to bridge gaps and add values. I am also super excited to keep learning about supply chain firsthand, solving real challenges for the clients, and growing professionally while helping IFBRAND becoming the trusted partner across borders.